It's Monday. I do all my favourite activities.
Yes, it's the big football match after school today.
I do karate before school. Let's go.
Do you do karate before school, Frank?
No, I don't.
Great! It's break. I played tennis at break. See you later. Oh.
Phew! It's lunchtime. I'm hungry.
I do music club at lunchtime. My lunch is in my bag.
Later, at model club in the afternoon.
Do you play football after school, Eva? Yes, I do. Oh, the football match. Sorry I'm late, Mr. Chen.
Okay, Eva. You can go in goal.
Oh no! Eva! Wake up!
He's coming now! He's got the ball!
I'm sorry, everyone.
After the game.
You do too many things. You're tired.
You're our friend, but we don't see you.
Next Monday in the morning. Hi, Eva. Do you do karate before school?
No, I don't, Mum. I've got a new favourite activity. Chatting to my friends.